Watch me work.
So,
Today we will play an interesting game together. The game Guess the Characters Through Their Animals and Their Voices. We will guess who these characters are and what their pets will look like. Do you have a pet? Round 1.
And that is why we made Plan B. Margot, just bring Kayla to our anti-prom party. We will watch that movie.
Do you know whose voice this is? That's so awesome! Ruby Gillman!
Is why we made Plan B. Margot, just bring Kayla to our anti-prom party. We will watch that movie.
Round 2. Which pet will you choose for Ruby Gillman? Oh, they're all so cute. Go ahead and pick one. Round 3.
Beating you senseless and you just kept getting back up? You just don't know when to quit.
Listen to this voice and guess who it belongs to. Correct! That's Princess Peach.
He kept beating you senseless and you just kept getting back up? You just don't know.
Wow! Here's a lucky spin for you. Let's see what happens. Oh, this is a test of your keen eyes. Look closely at the emoji's location. Which cup is our emoji in? Oh, fantastic! It's in this cup. Round 5.
Your strength, your smarts, and my speed together. That's how we win.
Whose voice is this? That's right! It's Sonic! Did you
Three of
recognize
us.
it?
Your strength, your smarts, and my speed together.
Round 6.
This is almost unfair because I have literally never cried. You got no chance.
Which character will your choice be if you look at this animal? You're amazing! It's Ember!
This is almost unfair because I have literally never cried. You got
Round 7. I think Ember would also love to have pets. Help her choose one. Let me know in the comments below, dear friends. Round 8. Can you recognize this character by their voice?
Making my own moves. 24/7, 365.
Oh, isn't it adorable? Maylin Lee.
I've been doing my own thing. Making my own moves. 24/7.
Let's go back to the wheel and see what's next. Oh, that's a riddle where you count how many characters appear. Look at it carefully. So how many embers have you counted? Aha! I counted 10 embers. How about you? Round 10.
Branch, the only weapons we need are this guy and this guy for hugs.
Whose cute voice is this? It's Poppy! You guessed it right!
The only weapons we need are this guy and this guy for hugs.
Round 11. Poppy is so cute. Surely she needs an adorable pet. Help her! They're all so adorable. Did you have a hard time choosing? Round 12.
You mean we're going to be amazing? Dad's leaving the hotel to both of us.
Really?
If you can guess this character, your memory is fantastic. That's right! It's Mavis!
You mean we're going to be amazing? Dad's leaving the hotel to both of us.
Really?
Round 13.
When she floats in the breeze, her immovable tiara. And when she sees the...
How about this character? Can you guess? Bowser is the correct answer. Do you like
When she
this
floats in
character?
the breeze, her immovable tiara.
Let's move on to the next spin. Oh, congratulations! You've entered a special question. Can you find Poppy in this picture? Hey, Poppy! Where are you? Show yourself to me. Oh, Poppy! There you are! Everyone's looking for you. Round 15.
It's not what magic does. That's just your fear. Fear is what can't be trusted.
I believe you can guess this princess. Oh, Elsa! Do you like her songs?
Not what magic does. That's just your fear. Fear is what can't be trusted.
Round 16. Which pet would you choose for Elsa? Leave your thoughts in the comments. Round 17.
I am not. Because the truth is, gift or no gift, I am just as special as...
Let's listen to another character's voice. Oh, it's Mirabelle from the movie Encanto.
Because the truth is, gift or no gift, I am just as special as the rest.
On to our final spin for today. This is a memory question. Remembering where the ghost is. It helps you train your memory. Where is this ghost? Aha! There it is! It's in this spot. Round 19.
Mother flippin' mermaid! I figured I owed you an underwater rescue since I...
Do you know which character is speaking? That's right! It's Chelsea! You're doing great!
Mother flippin' mermaid! I figured I owed you an underwater rescue.
Round 20.
Sword shattered, then chomped! Dad's leg was clean off! Down now, Mom.
Can you guess the name of this character? Marita is the correct answer.
Sword shattered, then chomped! Dad's leg was clean off! Down.
Round 21. She'll be grateful when you choose a pet for Marita. Leave your answer in the comments. Round 22.
Very funny. So what now? I reckon you want a kiss?
Whose voice is this? So cool! The correct answer is Tiana.
So what now? I reckon you want a kiss?
Round 23. Which pet would you choose for Tiana? They're all cute, aren't they? Which one would you pick? I'll be waiting for your comments. Round 24. Find the differences between the two pictures. That's right! There are 3 differences in these spots. Round 25.
Oh no, it's true! You guys have all been turned green! Except for you, Mantis, you...
Can you guess whose image has been blurred? You're right! It's Po in the Kung Fu Panda movie.
Oh, it's true! You guys have all been turned green! Except for you.
Round 26.
One more number! I call this one, The Legend Will Never Die!
This is a special question for you. Who owns this voice? Absolutely right! It's Puss in Boots!
I call this one, The Legend Will Never Die!
Round 27. Look at this emoji and guess which movie it represents. Trolls Band Together is the correct answer. Round 28. Find the different emoji among the others. Yay! Here it is! Did you set of questions packed together? Trolls Band Together is the start of our journey. Question 1.
Oh my gosh, hello! My name is Viva!
Whose voice is this? So easy! Viva is the correct answer!
Oh my gosh, hello! My name is Viva! It is so...
Question 2. Whose hair is this? Amazing! Velvet has got it! Question 3. Find the odd emoji out. Here it is! Did you get it? Oh, here's a surprise for you! This is a very special birthday cake I prepared for you. Enjoy the wonderful tune of this song.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you!
Remember to leave your birth month in the comments, and I'll send you wonderful birthday wishes along with the most special birthday cake.
Happy birthday to you!
Now come to the next spin. Are you curious about the set of 5 questions about Elemental movie here? Open it! Question 1. Whose hair is this? That's Ember! Question 2. What's the hidden figure? Exactly! That's the correct answer!
Food inspector. Always putting shop first.
Question 3. Whose mouth is this? Yay! Wade Ripple is the correct answer! Question 4. What is happening next after Ember gets angry? A is correct. The water pipe is broken. Question 5. Whose t-shirt is this? The correct answer is Lutz. You are so smart. Let's move on to the next spin. Oh, that's a special question. Let's open it up. Can you guess who this is? That's right! It's Ember! You're doing very well! Let's see what the next topic will be. That's a set of 4 questions related to Zootopia movie. Question 1. What is happening next with Judy Hopps? Cool! That's the correct answer! Question 2. Let's help Judy find the correct path to meet Nick. Hey! You did a great job! Here's the correct path. Question 3. Can you find 3 differences in these pictures? Time's up! How many points did you find? Question 4. Who owns this outfit? Oh, I know! Flash! How about you? Open the next package with me. Do you remember all the details in the Ice Age 5 movie? This challenge is for you. Question 1. Who is the hidden image? That's a pumpkin! You are so smart! Question 2. Whose silhouette is this? Oh, that's Addie! So lovely! Question 3. Find the odd emoji out. Exactly! The strange emoji is in this position. Question 4. Find the 2 missing cards to fit this picture. That's the correct answer! No question can beat you! Question 5. Whose mouth is this? That's Buck! Did you get it? Oh, congratulations! You entered a special question. Can you find Poppy? Poppy in this picture? Hey, Poppy! Where are you? Show yourself to me! Oh, Poppy! There you are! Which movie will be in the next wheel? That's a set of 3 questions about the Secret Life of Pets movie. Here we go! Question 1. Find the different emoji. Time's up! Here it is! Question 2. What is the hidden subject? That's the correct answer! Question 3. Find the names of these characters in this alphabet. Chloe, Snowball, Gidget. That's the correct answer! How many names did you find? Let's go on to the last wheel. Yay! We're now moving on to the final set of 4 questions about the Ruby Gillman Teenage Kraken movie. Question 1. Who is inside this cage? That's Chelsea! Do you like her?
Please, I'm not evil. I'm just pretty.
Question 2. Find the puzzle piece that matches the picture. Wow, wow! You are right! Question 3. Whose eyes are these? Aha! That's Sam Gillman! Question 4.
Derivative graphs?
Let's just say I had a good tooth.
What's happening next? Boom! That's the correct answer. Do you remember this scene?
Let's dance.
How many questions did you answer correctly? Let's share your results in the comments below. We'd love to know if you had fun. We hope to see you again soon.